This is a quick review of the Tascam X6, or as it's completely said, the Portacapture X6. Just got this in the box the other day, or the mail, I should say, the other day, and super excited about it. All right. So let's get in. We've got some manuals, it looks like. Let's go ahead and open. Here's the recorder itself. Comes in a plastic bag, which is always nice. And I believe I saw some batteries. Always appreciate batteries. And it looks like that's it. So what you get in the box is the Tascam itself, the X6. You also get 4 batteries. We have a 1/4-inch jack on the back. Looks like 2 XLR jacks on one side. We have a mic in, so if you need to run a, what is that, 3.5 mil, I believe, in. You can also run a line out. Got headphone jacks, and then you've got a volume button here for the headphone itself. These are going to be your 1 and 2 inputs. This is currently in a XY axis, and they can be flipped around into an AB axis also. And if I'm not mistaken, going to try and, I believe they can be taken off, if I'm not mistaken. You also have, let's take a look on the other side. You've got your on, off, and a hold button. And then you've got a USB-C. There was no cable included. And you have a micro US, or a micro chip. Can't think what they're called. Those are not included also, but one of these little guys will fit in there. I'm not sure how many megabytes or gigabytes, I should say, that this will handle. If it's 256, 512, a gig, whatever. Fortunately, audio is not very large sounds. One of the nice things about this unit is that it does, boy, pretty well. This records in 32-bit float, which means you essentially don't have to worry about your audio levels, because this unit kind of, if you will, it records at different levels and then it blends them all together. So if somebody's talking quietly, you can actually pull out the quiet and bring that up without getting a lot of floor noise in there. And then the flip side is that if it's really loud, is that it has a lower recording automatically. So all you have to do is bring the volume down and the audio won't be clipped. So I'm gonna be excited about that. I get backstage passes, media passes. I produce a show. And so we go to concerts, we have artists performing. And as a video producer, I would rather focus on the camera and making everything's working great than having to monitor audio levels all the time. So I'm super excited about having this guy, and it looks like you just pulled back. Yes. So I pulled back on the button here. I saw things that powers on. There we go, the Tascam. On the front of the device, there is a home button, which is also a stop button, a play and pause button, a record button. Then we've got reverse or fast forward. I don't know if it's the next track, menu, and a mark. And then there's also this rolly dial here. I'm on the launcher menu right now, and this is a touch screen. So by clicking the menu here, I can go into the menu for this particular mode, which is the voice mode. And again, I can just click a button. And so I'm not going to go through all the settings because I haven't figured them all out. And at some point, I keep on forgetting how we get back. Oh, we got to go. So on menu, then we go to launcher. Launcher is where you're going to be able to select. This wheelie dial, I thought the wheelie dial would do something, but it doesn't click or do anything. So everything is touch, but we've got manual or we've got audio. This is going to be music, I'm assuming, because it's got a piano. So it says music. I got to click menu, go into the launcher. Manual, which is what we're currently on. And then this looks like a boom mic. And this is for field recording. Click menu, launcher, and then we also have podcast, and this is going to be for 2 microphones. I see we got an A and a B. We have mic levels here, and I'm not sure, does this adjust mic levels? This does. All right. So this is just unboxing. I got to figure out how to use this guy, but it's all touchscreen minus your controls on the front. So that's going to be it for the unboxing. I'm going to play with this unit, and I'll post another video.